Lady Jones with GIP Financials with Mr. Miyagi Money. And guess what time it is? It is tax time. One more time, what time is it? Tax time. Don't play with it. So guess what? I'm going to teach you a couple of nuggets to make sure that your tax preparation is seamless. So I'm going to give you a total of 9 tips. I'm going to give you the first 5. Right? So I don't want you to get super overwhelmed. So, and also I want you to make sure you tune into the next video that I'm going to have, right? So are y'all ready? Let's rock. So number 1, you got to hire somebody. Hire an expert, y'all. Get an accountant, get a bookkeeper, or get a tax preparer. If you have not watched the 4 financial roles, get on that video playlist and take a look at them. Well, you can look at the tax preparer, you can look at the bookkeeper, right? You can look at the CPA to see which one is the best fit for you, right, CEO? Don't get caught slipping out here. Number 2, you want to make sure that you claim all of your income to the IRS. So let me just go ahead and get the camera. We also talking about Cash App, PayPal, Stripe, Zelle, Venmo, all the cousins. You getting all that money from all those different places. Make sure you report that income. Yes, I know what the rules say about, the business, and they say they want to report and all this and that and the third. But when it's time for you to apply for that loan, and they say that you don't make enough money because you were trying to hide all that money, so you won't have to pay all those taxes, right? Yeah, we're gonna talk about that. I still love you, but we're gonna talk about that as well. So please report all your income on your taxes, because you're going to blow up. And then when you need that loan, you want to make sure that you show that, look, I was making money a long time ago, right? Right. Number 3, you got to keep adequate records. This is where Deacon Hand comes in. Won't you come? Software, accounting software. Get you some QuickBooks. I know some people don't like QuickBooks, but that's the jam that we use over at GIP Financials, because QuickBooks is going to give you all types of different ways to aggregate your data, right? And you don't know, as far as which season that you're in your business, what type of reporting that you need. Sometimes you need to go beyond the P&L, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement, right? Word on the street is QuickBooks has a report, especially for my service-based businesses, that if you use invoicing, you can create a P&L that'll show you how much you're making for every product and service that you have on QuickBooks. Game changer. How you gonna know which products and services are making money? Just saying. Better give, and you won't get that information unless what? You have an expert. Just trying to tell you. All right, number 4, you gotta separate your business and your personal expenses. Y'all, the number 1 reason why a lot of small businesses did not get the PPP loan was because they did not have a separate business checking account. If you decide that you want to start a business, make sure you get your EIN number, make sure that you get your business license, and Lord, please go to somebody's bank and get a business checking account. Please, pretty please, will you please do that for me? And when you get the business checking account, y'all, all you have to do, if you're making money out of that account and you want to pay yourself, just do a transfer from the business checking account to the personal checking account. Do not use your business debit card to be going to Longhorn. Now, you want to eat, take the clients out to go eat, ball till you fall, right? But if you try to take family out, move that money from the business account to the personal account, and do not swipe the card, all right? Just saying. Last but certainly not least for this video, we need to understand the difference between your gross income and your net income. I'm going to take this from 2 different ways, right? When we're talking about the profit and loss statement, again, if you have not watched the video that I did about the profit and loss statement and what that entails, then you got another reason to stay on this video page, right? On this YouTube channel, right? All that good stuff. So in the P&L, what you have is it is a snapshot of your gross revenue minus your expenses, and then you have your net revenue. It's very similar to your payroll, right? You have your gross income, then Uncle Sam take all your stuff, then you got your net income, right? It's pretty much the same thing. Gross revenue minus all your business expenses, and then your net revenue will let you know how much profit you made out of your business. So you as the CEO, you have to know that. And the profit and loss statement is going to be the report that your tax preparer is going to need when it's time for you to file your tax. Now, let me also take you on another tangent here. So if you are trying to figure out how much profit you're making in your business, whether you're a product-based business or a service-based business, you need to know how much money you're making off of said product, right? If you are a baker and you're making cakes, the quality of the product that you're using, right? The time it's taking you, right? From the time that you put all those ingredients together, maybe you have to travel, like you got a wedding cake, you got to travel to take that cake back and forth and all of that stuff, right? Plays into how much money you're going to make per product. And so for your service-based businesses, and I'll use myself as an example, when I'm pricing my services, I have to also take into consideration how much time is it going to take for us to perform said service, right? And I also have to take into consideration my level of position is, right? Because I have to pay them to perform the service. And we also have to take into account, we got to use, video conferencing software, accounting software, all of that good stuff to make sure that we deliver the level of excellence that we do here at GIP Financials, because we are always getting in position. Right? Just say it. All right. So that is 5 of the 9 business tips for preparing your taxes. So make sure that you tune in to video number 2. All right. Again, this is Sonia Jones with GIP Financials, your Mr. Miyagi Money. So as always, get in position. Peace.